In the last video, we discovered event modifiers. In this video, we will discover key events. So let's see. First, what does mean key events? Key events is also an event that is related by our keyboard. So if we want to do a key event, we must use a keyboard. Let's take an example. So first I will delete my form like this, also this. Then I will get up myself and create another function. So I'll call it my log. So and change this alert by console.log. What do I write? Console.log. Then I will write my log on. So and I will go to my inputs. Before I will delete this prevent, and I will create a key event. So add key up equals my log. So let's see here. I will open my console with the inspect, delete all this. If I write something, we see that our console.log is on. So if I have a large instructions inside this function that I call it my log, if I have like 20 instructions or around, I will have a problem in my application. So what we're gonna do is add key up dot enter. So here we have added a key event. So if I click a button or something here, it doesn't change nothing in my console. But if I click enter, if I go here and click enter, I have my log. Another enter, I have another log. So what? So we understand that the key events let us control a function or a variable with our keyboard. So let's take another example. Let's say that I want to create a composite key event. So I will say key up, then equals, let's say our function add. Then in this key up, I will say that to dot alt dot enter. So if I get here and click enter, I have my log on. But if I click alt enter, I have my alert and I have my log on because we pressed alt and enter together. So if I said here I don't want else, I want command because I have a Mac here. So I want a command. What shall I do? Go here, enter. I have my add, and we have my log. So if first I let my form here, the log does not change because we will send a form. So that's why release the form in the start. So this is all for this video. Hope you like it. Take care of yourself. In the next video, bye.